Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to check header tags using Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Let's get started. First, open Screaming Frog and enter your website URL in the search bar right here. Let's say I want to check header tags on this website. Copy the URL and paste here. Then click on Start and let the tool crawl your site. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. Once the crawl is complete, go to the H1 tab to see all the H1 header tags across your website. Scroll down and you can see here is the URL and here is the H1 tag on this page. You can scroll down to see all the H1 tags for this website for different pages. This website has 133 pages and you can see the H1 tags here. And you can go here and click on missing to see all the pages that don't have H1 tags. Let's click on it. So 14 pages on this website don't have an H1 tag. For good SEO, every page on your website should have a unique H1 tag. Then click on duplicate. So these two pages have same H1 tags. As I told earlier, every page should have a unique H1 tag. So these two pages look like same, so they can delete one of their page. Similarly, you can click on over 70 characters. This is not an issue, but if you want to check which pages on your website have H1 tags with over 70 characters, you can click here. So this website doesn't have any. And similarly, you can click on multiple. Multiple means a page that has two H1 tags, which is not recommended. Every page should have only one H1 tag. So there is no page with multiple H1 tags. Then you can click on alt text in H1 and you can also click on non-sequential. Non-sequential mean the first heading on your page should be H1, then it should be followed by H2, and if there are subheadings under H2, then they should be labeled as H3. If you have H1 tag at the top of the page and then without using H2, if you start using H3 tag, then this will fall under non-sequential H1 tag. And similarly, you can click on H2 to see all the H2 tags across different pages. You can scroll down to see all the H2 tags. This website has multiple H2 tags on their pages, so you can see H21 here, and if you scroll to the right, you can see H22. So they have two H2 tags on their different pages. Here is the URL, here is the H21, and here is the H22. You can scroll down to check all the H2 tags. Similarly, you can come here to filter missing, duplicate, over 70 characters, multiple and non-sequential H2 tags. And if you want to export this data, you can click here and then you can select the file type, Excel, Google Sheets, whatever you want, and then click on save to download it. Similarly, you can export the H1 tags for this website by clicking here. So this is how you can check header tags in Screaming Frog SEO Spider. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.